Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. Hope all of you are doing well. Let's continue our chapter part number. Activity number 1. In the table below, each number in the second column is equal to the number in the first, but not in order. Write them in the correct order. First, question number 1. 6 by 8. Can you find the equivalent fraction of 6 by 8? Yes, for that, we have to divide the numerator 6 by 2 and denominator 8 by 2. Then we got the fraction as 3 by 4. Next question is 8 by 3. This 8 by 3 is an improper fraction. For converting 8 by 3 into mixed fraction, divide 8 by 3. Then we got the quotient 2, remainder 2 and divisor 3. Then 8 by 3 is equal to 2 and 2 by 3. The next question is 15 by 4. Here we have to convert 15 by 4 into mixed fraction. Then divide 15 by 4. Then the quotient you got is 3, remainder 3 and divisor 4. Then the mixed fraction of 15 by 4 is equal to 3 and 3 by 4. Then 15 by 4 is equal to 3 and 3 by 4. Next question 12 by 8. Can you find the equivalent fraction of 12 by 8? We can divide 12 and 8 by 4. Then 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 and 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Then the equivalent fraction of 12 by 8 is equal to 3 by 2. Then 3 by 2 is an improper fraction. Divide 3 by 2. Then we got the mixed fraction as 1 and 1 by 2. Is it clear for you? The next question 8 by 5. We have to find the equivalent fraction of 8 by 5. That is 8 into 2 by 5 into 2. That is equal to 16 by 10. Next question 4 by 6. Find the equivalent fraction of 4 by 6. That is 4 divided by 2 by 6 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 by 3. Next activity, in the picture below, find out how much of the square each color is used on. Here, the square is divided into 4 equal parts. Then, this purple portion is equal to 1 by 4. Now find out how much of the square is colored pink. This pink part is half of 1 by 4 part. Half of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 8. Now find out how much of the whole square is this green part and this shaded part. These two parts form half of 1 by 8 part. Half of 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 8. That is equal to 1 by 16. Now, how much is this black part? This black portion is half of the 1 by 4. Half of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Now, this portion is equal to 1 by 3 of the 1 by 4 part. 1 by 3 of 1 by 4 part means 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 12. Have you all understood this? Here is a project for you. Riyaz, Rajesh and Rakesh bought 4 cakes and divide this equally among them. Rakesh took his share first. Draw a picture of the remaining. Then Riyaz also took his share. Draw a picture of the remaining. Do this project in your project book. I hope All of you understood what I had taught in the today's class? We had completed this chapter. We will start our next chapter, area, on the next day. Okay? Thank you.